I know you guys have seen multiple engine failures online and on YouTube regarding the 2022 through 2023 Tundras. Well, as of May 30th, 2024, Toyota has issued a safety recall 24TA07, interim notice 24TB07, stating the condition such as there is a possibility that certain machining debris may not have been cleared from the engine when it was produced. In the involved vehicles, this can lead to potential engine knocking, engine rough running, engine no start, and or loss of motive power. A loss of motive power while driving at higher speeds can increase the risk of crash. And that's the main bearing failure, as you guys may have seen. So they're saying certain machining debris. So we don't know if it's from the block, machining debris from the secondary timing cover. They're saying that machining debris may not have been cleared properly from the engine when it was produced. So this can lead to the engine knocking. That's when you get a spun bearing. That's the knocking sign you're getting on most of these engine complaints when the customer bring it in. Or the engine may run rough, loss of power during higher speed. So of course that can increase the risk of a crash. So of course, because of that, it's now a safety recall. So what is the remedy now? What is Toyota going to do? So Toyota is currently developing a remedy for the issue. So based on what they're saying the fault is, if it's debris inside the engine, most likely you gotta get a short block, and then case by case basis, we will assess any further damage that may have been caused by that machining debris. So I'm sure if the cylinder heads are affected, we would have to take pictures and send it in, or if the cam gears, as you see here, are affected, then we will have to take pictures. The one we had in the shop, those cam gears and everything else was good. So because it's a machining debris issue and not a tolerance or a clearance issue that they're having with the main bearing, we would not have to drop the oil pan and look inside with a camera to see certain serial numbers or check for, a stamp or some kind of a QR code. I'm curious to see what they're going to have us do. I'm not sure if it's going to be drop the pan, look for maybe metal or certain debris inside the oil filter pickup screen. They are not clear what the remedy is. But for sure, you're going to get a short block. I don't think Toyota will send a crate engine. You're going to get a short block, and we're going to have to put it together piece by piece. And like I said, case by case basis on any further damage, we will most likely have to take pictures. That's the way they kind of do things when we have to do repairs such as these. So how many vehicles are covered under this recall? So according to Toyota, there are approximately 98,600 vehicles covered by the safety recall. Approximately 900 vehicles involved in this safety recall were distributed to Puerto Rico. So we have about 98,600 vehicles, total vehicles between 2022 and 2023 Tundra. Notice how they didn't put the 2024 models on there yet. That's still yet to be determined. And they say the production period is from early November 2021 through mid-February 2023. Approximate stop sale dealer inventory is about 80. So that's the kind of repair you guys are going to be expecting to have done. If you are going to bring your truck in for this recall, or if you are experiencing this issue, it's going to be a tear down. You're going to get a short block. Definitely a new oil pump, which is attached to the secondary timing cover, and a few other components. So I don't think it's going to be a situation where we have to go inside with a camera and, like I said, to check any QR codes or serial stamp on the bearing itself. They look like they're saying it's just debris. So maybe this engine is not a complete failure after all. So the good news is at least they found the issue, at least the root cause as to why these engines' main bearing were giving out. It looked like it's just machining debris from manufacturing, like they said. So from here, only time would tell if this engine will really stand the test of time. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you find this video informative in any way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.